Hello student, today we will do question number 6 and 7 from exercise 5.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. 1185 AP is given 11852. So we will use formula here. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Suppose AN is minus 150, A is 11 here, plus N we will find minus D is minus 3. 11 will bring this side, minus 150 minus 11 is equal to minus 3n minus 1. This should be minus 1. This will be added. Minus 161 is equal to minus 3n minus 1. Minus minus will be cut. So n minus 1 is equal to 161 by 3. So n is equal to 161 by 3 plus 1. We'll add this. Equal to 164 by 3. This. So this is in fraction. So n cannot be in fraction. Number of term cannot be in fraction. So check whether this is term. So therefore answer will be no. Minus 150 is not a term of AP. 11852. This is answer. Now see question number 7. Question number 7 is find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. It is given 11th term, means the A plus 10D is equal to 38. This is equation 1. And A plus 15D is equal to 73. This is equation 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2, we get, it will subtract A plus 15D equal to 73, A plus 10D is equal to 38. We'll subtract this, minus, this will cut, this will be 5D. D is equal to then 35 by 5, 7. D is equal to 7 here. Now we'll putting value of D in 1. We get A plus 10 into 7 to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70 is equal to minus 32. So A is equal to minus 32. Now we have to find 31st term. A31 is equal to then A is minus 32 plus 30 into D. D is 7 minus 32 plus 210. Here will be 30 because n minus 1, 31, we have to find 31 first term, so n minus 1 will be 30 and D is 7, so we have multiplied this. Now if you subtract, then it will be 10, 8, 7, 178. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.